for the future of the world, I would like to say that starting from this November 20th, there could be one more severe danger that will come up, ending the next year, April, that is 2021 April. It's and it's very important for people to stay careful this time.
A very important question that, that made a global news, that an 11-year-old kid from India predicted COVID-19 ahead of, when it came. So how did you do it?
So actually, in August 2019, I was actually just looking at the planetary positions as usual every day, as I do it every day. And while looking at each one of these planetary positions, I analyzed what the where the planets are moving in November. Like, you can do this even 1,000 years back, you can do this 10,000 years back, because the movement of the planets is in a particular fashion and it doesn't change time to time. Just that comets and other extraterrestrial activities, celestial activities might be going on in the skies, but that doesn't mean the planetary positions will change. So I was looking at this November to April planetary position, and it was looking very strange to me. Not only strange, but very haunting also, because the planetary positions were moving towards a particular level, especially coming towards March and April. It was coming somewhat very mysterious, and I was thinking for a lot of time, what could it be? It is surely supposed to be something that's going to rock the world with disaster. It could be anything. So I was trying to bring the most likely things that could happen. For example, if there could be a war, there could be a war, or if there could be a transport industry fall, because the planetary positions do have it hidden, just that our minds that are quite low in trying to understand them are not able to understand them perfectly and to the moment. So I just got a few things that could happen during this period. For example, the transport industry collapse, or there could be a war, or a widespread disease that will rock the entire world. And I've spoken about that in this video. So in that, Jupiter actually moves towards the sign of the sign of Sagittarius, closer to Ketu, and every time it does this, there has been an epidemic or a pandemic in the past. For example, the previous SARS was also having such a yoga, and even another yoga. And just like that, even in the past, we had various pandemics, and all these were preceded by some or the other strange planetary influence. So I analyzed everything, including wars of the past, economic collapses of the past. And now I believe that the main danger is the economy. And therefore, I focused on the economy more in that video, because that was what was looking extremely fishy to me, and that's what is going to happen according to me. So November 4th is when I actually gave the window starting time of danger, and April end as the climax of something that could occur within this period, something that would begin or whatever within this period. And that's how I found it.
That is actually very interesting. So Abhigya, according to astrology and your research, when these things will get sorted?
So as I've explained in my videos, actually the way the situation is being handled, the pandemic situation, the way it's being handled is not correct, because people are overdosing themselves with chemicals during this period, thinking that will prevent them from getting any disease. They are even people who don't have any symptoms are taking chemicals to prevent any disease, but they do not understand that consuming highly changed chemicals in their form of material nature, these chemicals can destroy our immunity, can bring down our body's natural ability to fight any particular disease. So the way it's being handled, I don't think it will be finished even for a long time, because people are taking antibiotics even when they don't have symptoms. And even when it's not even effective against any virus, people are taking dangerous stuff like hydroxychloroquine and many more things which have been proven by research. People are taking so many things, and even patients are being given dangerous drugs. I've proven that in my video to be dangerous, including top drugs such as tocilizumab and also remdesivir, etc. But not only that, people are doing so many more things, staying completely indoors and not even giving themselves a little bit of fresh air and even sunlight. And therefore, this pandemic, if everyone stays at home constantly, not only the coronavirus disease, but many more infectious and highly fatal diseases will arise if people don't take care of their health now. But whatever it is, after November 2021, things will start getting better. In my previous video, I talked about June 30th and the recovery rate and everything will start getting better during that period. But the cases are rising because of people staying completely at home and locking themselves up, blocking themselves from every single type of natural things, and they are constantly sticking themselves to devices and spoiling their health. So that is the reason for the present situation increasing so rapidly. But everything will surely get better in November 2021, post November 2021.
Yeah. So Abhigya, any suggestion you would like to give to people to during this pandemic period?
Yes, actually, in my previous videos, I've given a lot of things. It was banned twice on YouTube, including the solutions, what people can do if they have the symptoms or if they don't have the symptoms, what they can do to boost their immunity. And I don't know why it was banned by YouTube, but going forward, the simple things during this pandemic, keeping the pandemic at the center of this particular question, I would like to
So
say
what
that
was the reason behind that?
people
You
need to
provoked
boost their
you to
immunity.
dig
That's number
into
one.
deeper
And
to
number
our
two, they need to
Indian
just remove all
history
the
of
fear from
Ayurveda.
their minds, which is constantly being poured in by different sources of information that people are getting, and stay out of technology at least for a few hours in a day. Connect with nature. I'm not talking about technology that's vital, like jobs of people. I'm not talking seriously, I'm not telling people to stay out of their jobs and stuff like that. I'm just saying that today, according to statistics, people are wasting more time on unnecessary social media, not necessary social media, but unnecessary social media for a lot of time. They need to stay out from unnecessary technology use and connect themselves with nature more, and that will remove the fear and boost people's immunity. They need to garden and so many more things we can do to boost our immunity and prevent any particular pathogen from afflicting us. And also the sunlight is very important. And turmeric, giloy, that is Amritavalli, Tinospora cordifolia, and many more herbs like ashwagandha, etc., need to be consumed. I explained this back in April. Because they are highly antiviral in their properties, and also gargling the mouth with coconut oil has been proven to be very effective. So many more things can be done instead of just gorging on a lot of chemicals to prevent a disease. That's not going to work. First of all, as I said, faith of God is very important. Faith in God, and it's very important for people to stay careful this time. Not stay careful by spreading fear, but by boosting everyone's immunity. This time we should be prepared. And if it's any other calamity, we should be prepared for every single calamity, not just getting hit by the calamity, not knowing anything about it.